When you think of fasting, you might imagine complete deprivation, hours without a single bite, just water and willpower. But what if I told you that the right foods, yes, real foods, can support your fast, enhance fat burn, stabilize energy, and still keep you in that beautiful fasting zone where your body heals and regenerates? Let's dive into the top 7 foods you can eat while fasting without breaking it, and understand why your body thanks you for them. Pure black coffee contains almost 0 calories. But more importantly, it amplifies fat oxidation and keeps insulin low. The caffeine stimulates metabolism, while natural antioxidants protect your cells during fasting. Just skip the sugar and cream, and you've got a fasting-friendly ally. Green tea is a miracle in a cup. It contains EGCG, a compound proven to boost fat metabolism and reduce inflammation. Drinking it during fasting not only keeps hunger away, but also deepens autophagy, your body's natural detox and repair. Just a tablespoon in water before your fasting window can flatten glucose spikes and improve insulin sensitivity. It tricks your body into feeling satiated while enhancing fat breakdown. This is fasting science working for you, not against you. A light, clean bone broth is rich in electrolytes and collagen, but very low in calories. It keeps you hydrated, nourishes your gut lining, and supports joint health, all without breaking your fast. It's especially powerful during extended fast. When you feel that mid-fast craving, a glass of sparkling water with a slice of lemon can reset your brain's hunger signal. The carbonation and acidity activate satiety hormone, helping you stay focused and clear. Medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, bypass normal digestion and go straight to your liver, producing ketones, a clean energy source that fuels your brain during fasting. Just 1 teaspoon can boost focus and keep fatigue away. During fasting, your body excretes sodium faster. A inch of Himalayan salt in water replenishes lost electrolytes, prevents headaches, and keeps your heart rhythm steady. It's a simple but powerful tool for longer fasts. Fasting isn't about starving. It's about strategically feeding your body with the right tools to activate healing, fat burning, and cellular renewal. When you nourish your body wisely, even while fasting, you don't just lose fat. You gain health, clarity, and control. When you sip on a cup of pure black coffee during fasting, you're not just indulging in a morning ritual. You're activating one of the most powerful metabolic tools nature provides. Black coffee is more than a wake-up beverage. It's a scientifically proven fat-burning companion. It contains almost 0 calories, which means it doesn't trigger an insulin response, allowing your body to remain in a fasted state. Insulin is the switch that determines whether your body stores fat or burns it. By keeping insulin levels low, black coffee encourages your body to continue breaking down stored fat for fuel, making your fasting period more productive. Caffeine, the active compound in coffee, acts as a gentle metabolic igniter. It stimulates the central nervous system, increasing alertness and focus, while also boosting thermogenesis, your body's natural heat production process. This subtle rise in body temperature translates into a higher rate of calorie burning, even while you're sitting still. Studies show that caffeine can enhance fat oxidation by as much as 10% in lean individuals and up to 29% in those who are overweight. This means every sip of black coffee works silently to accelerate fat metabolism, helping you tap into your body's stored energy reserves more efficiently. But the benefits of black coffee during fasting don't stop there. It's packed with powerful antioxidants such as chlorogenic acid, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, one of the main causes of aging and inflammation. Chlorogenic ACI. D also plays a role in slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates, indirectly stabilizing blood sugar levels. This is especially important during fasting when maintaining steady glucose control supports mental clarity and energy balance. Black coffee also enhances mood and cognitive function by increasing the production of dopamine and norepinephrine, 2 neurotransmitters responsible for focus, motivation, and alertness. That's why many people experience a sharper mind and improved concentration when they include black coffee in their fasting routine. The key, however, lies in purity. No sugar, no milk, and no artificial creamers. Even a small amount of added sugar can trigger insulin and disrupt the fasting process. In essence, black coffee serves as both a metabolic booster and a mental enhancer during fasting. It supports fat burning, protects your cells from damage, sharpens your focus, and keeps you in a clean, energized state, all while preserving the integrity of your FAs. Green tea is one of nature's most remarkable fasting companions. When you drink it during your fasting hours, you're doing far more than calming your nerves or satisfying thirst. You're unlocking a deep cellular process that enhances the power of your fast. Green tea contains almost no calories, which means it doesn't disturb insulin levels or interrupt fat metabolism. But what makes it extraordinary is a bioactive compound called epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, which has been shown in numerous studies to stimulate fat burning and increase metabolic rate. EGCG works synergistically with a small amount of caffeine in green tea to amplify thermogenesis, helping the body convert stored fat into energy with remarkable efficiency. During fasting, your body is in a state of repair. It's breaking down damaged cells, reducing inflammation, improving insulin sensitivity. Green tea naturally supports this process by enhancing autophagy, the internal cleaning mechanism that clears out toxins and malfunctioning cells. Drinking green tea helps extend the benefits of fasting by keeping the cellular recycling system active, which is one of the key reasons it's favored in long-term fasting practices across many cultures. The gentle stimulation from caffeine also prevents energy crashes, keeping you alert and mentally sharp without overwhelming your nervous system. Beyond metabolism, green tea offers powerful protection against oxidative stress. Every sip delivers a burst of polyphenol, natural plant compounds that defend your cells against the effects of aging, pollution, and poor diet. These antioxidants help lower inflammation in the gut, liver, and blood vessels, areas most impacted during metabolic shifts. When your body is fasting, your cells are more sensitive to stress, and green tea's protective compounds act like a shield, maintaining balance while enhancing healing. It also plays a remarkable role in appetite control. The combination of catechins and caffeine can reduce the hunger hormone ghrelin, making fasting hours easier to manage. Instead of feeling deprived, you feel calm, focused, and sustained. Green tea hydrates the body, supports digestion, and gently boosts circulation without adding a single calorie. For best results, it should be consumed plain, without milk, sugar, or honey, as these additions can interfere with its metabolic effects. When enjoyed in its pure form, green tea becomes a silent partner in your fasting journey, enhancing fat burning, deepening repair, and keeping your body and mind in perfect balance. Apple cider vinegar is one of the most underestimated tools for enhancing the power of fasting. Though it's simple in appearance, its biological effects on the body are profound. Made through the fermentation of apples, it contains acetic acid, a compound known for its ability to stabilize blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and promote fat metabolism. During fasting, maintaining balanced blood glucose levels is critical, as sudden spikes or drops can trigger hunger, fatigue, and irritability. A small dose of apple cider vinegar, typically 1 tablespoon mixed with water, helps flatten those glucose swings, keeping your body in a steady, fat-burning rhythm throughout the fasting window. Acetic acid works by slowing down the rate at which food leaves your stomach, creating a gentle, natural feeling of fullness that reduces appetite. This effect is particularly useful during intermittent fasting, when controlling cravings can be the biggest challenge. The delayed gastric emptying not only helps you feel satisfied longer, but also allows your body to absorb nutrients more efficiently once you break your fast. By keeping you fuller for longer periods, apple cider vinegar indirectly helps extend your fasting hours without discomfort, making it easier to stay consistent with your fasting routine. Another remarkable benefit is how apple cider vinegar influences insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the hormone responsible for moving glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. When your cells become resistant to insulin, your body compensates by producing more of it, which can lead to fat storage, energy crashes, and eventually metabolic imbalance. Research has shown that apple cider vinegar can make your cells more responsive to insulin, reducing the need for your body to release excess amounts. This allows your fasting state to remain stable, promoting deeper fat utilization for energy instead of relying on quick carbohydrates. Beyond its metabolic effects, apple cider vinegar supports detoxification and gut health. The natural enzymes and probiotics formed during fermentation aid in maintaining a healthy microbiome, the community of beneficial bacteria that governs digestion, immunity, and even mood. A balanced gut contributes to smoother digestion when fasting ends and strengthens your immune defenses during the fasting process. When used correctly, diluted in water and consumed before or during fasting, apple cider vinegar becomes a metabolic enhancer that supports fat loss, appetite control, and hormonal balance. Its impact is gentle but powerful, harmonizing the body's natural processes while allowing fasting to do its healing work. Bone broth is one of the most nourishing and supportive liquids you can include during a fast, especially when the goal is to maintain hydration, protect your gut, and supply your body with essential nutrients without disrupting the fasting state. Made by slowly simmering animal bones, tendons, and connective tissue, bone broth releases a treasure of minerals, amino acids, and collagen in a form that is easy for the body to absorb. Despite being nutrient-dense, it is very low in calories and carbohydrates, meaning it doesn't provoke a significant insulin response or interrupt fat burning. This makes it a valuable companion during longer fasts when your body needs gentle nourishment without breaking the M. Metabolic benefits of fasting. One of bone broth's greatest benefits lies in its impact on gut health. The gelatin and collagen extracted from the bones help repair the intestinal lining and reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. During fasting, your gut is in a period of rest and repair, and bone broth supports that process beautifully by supplying amino acids like glutamine, which strengthen the gut wall and promote healing. This is particularly important for individuals who suffer from bloating, leaky gut, or digestive discomfort. When the gut barrier is healthy, it prevents toxins and undigested food particles from entering the bloodstream, which can lower systemic inflammation and boost immune function. Bone broth also serves as an excellent source of electrolytes, sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which are crucial during fasting. When the body is deprived of food, it tends to flush out electrolytes more rapidly, leading to fatigue, headaches, or muscle cramps. A warm cup of bone broth replenishes these minerals naturally, restoring balance and keeping energy levels steady. This hydration effect helps sustain endurance, especially during extended fast or physically demanding days. Another remarkable quality of bone broth is its support for joint, skin, and connective tissue. Collagen, which forms the backbone of the broth, provides structural support to cartilage, ligaments, and skin elasticity. Regular consumption during fasting can help reduce joint stiffness and promote youthful skin texture, as collagen synthesis is enhanced when your body is in repair mode. Bone broth also provides glycine, an amino acid that calms the nervous system and improves sleep quality, helping the body recover more efficiently. Warm, soothing, and deeply restorative, bone broth acts as a bridge between nourishment and fasting, feeding your body what it needs while keeping it in a state of healing and renewal. Sparkling water with lemon may seem simple, but it's one of the most effective natural tools to help you stay strong and focused while fasting. When fasting for long hours, one of the biggest challenges people face is managing hunger and maintaining hydration. The subtle combination of carbonation and lemon essence works in harmony with your body's natural chemistry to reduce cravings, support digestion, and refresh the mind. Sparkling water, with its effervescent bubbles, gives a sense of fullness that can quiet hunger pangs, while the mild acidity of lemon activates digestive enzymes and keeps your metabolism engaged without breaking your fast. The carbonation in sparkling water gently expands the stomach, triggering the stretch receptors that send signals to your brain indicating satisfaction. This physical effect can significantly reduce the sensation of hunger, helping you push through your fasting window more comfortably. Many people also find that the refreshing fizziness provides a psychological boost, making fasting feel less restrictive and more enjoyable. It replaces the urge to snack or sip on sugary drinks by giving the palate stimulation without adding calories or disrupting insulin balance. Adding lemon enhances this experience with additional health benefits. Lemon contains citric acid and small amounts of vitamin C, both of which play important roles in supporting digestion, detoxification, and energy production. The citric acid helps the liver produce bile more efficiently, improving the breakdown of fats once you start eating again. It also mildly alkalizes the body, helping to maintain a balanced pH level, a state where metabolism and cellular function thrive. The aroma of lemon has even been shown to influence mood and reduce stress, which can make the fasting period feel lighter and more manageable. Hydration is another critical factor during fasting, and sparkling water with lemon ensures that your body stays replenished. When fasting, the body excretes more water and electrolytes and even sleep. HT dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, or dizziness. Drinking sparkling water keeps your hydration levels up, while the minerals naturally present in some varieties, like magnesium and potassium, help maintain electrolyte balance. The combination of hydration, appetite control, and mental refreshment makes sparkling water with lemon an ideal companion for fasting. It supports your focus, helps curb unnecessary cravings, and brings a clean, invigorating energy that keeps you connected to your goals, while your body continues its natural process of repair and renewal. As we come to the end of this journey through the top 7 foods you can eat while fasting without breaking it, one truth becomes clear. Fasting is not about deprivation, it's about intelligent nourishment. Each of these foods, from black coffee to green tea, from apple cider vinegar to bone broth, from sparkling lemon water to MCT oil and Himalayan salt, supports your body's natural rhythm of healing, regeneratio, and balance. When chosen wisely, they turn fasting from a test of endurance into a strategy of empowerment. Your body is far more intelligent than you realize. The moment you give it the right environment, a calm digestive system, stable blood sugar, steady energy, it begins to repair, renew, and transform from within. Fasting isn't simply a trend, it's a biological conversation between your choices and your cells. And the foods we discussed today act as gentle messengers, telling your body it's safe, supported, and ready to thrive. Remember, the goal isn't to starve, it's to strengthen. It's about finding that beautiful balance where your mind feels clear, your energy flows naturally, and your body begins to do what it was designed to do, heal itself. With every fast, you're not just skipping meals, you're training your body to burn smarter, think sharper, and live longer. So, as you move forward, let these small, powerful choices guide your fasting journey. Stay curious, stay mindful, and most importantly, stay kind to your body. Transformation doesn't happen overnight. It happens quietly, one wise choice at a time. Thank you for joining me today and taking the time to learn how to make your fast more effective and enjoyable. Your commitment to your health is your greatest investment. Stay consistent, stay hydrated, and remember, you're not just fasting, you're activating the incredible healing potential that already lives within you. Take care, stay strong, and until next time, here's to your health, your energy, and your unstoppable